Hi there, it's Mitch with another pro tip from your friends at Chemcraft. You know, a really good spray gun these days is well upward of $500. So maintenance is more important today than ever. So once a month or so, take that gun apart, take off the air cap, pull out the needle, put together a nice kit with some stiff brushes and maybe some tip cleaners. Take that air cap off and scrub it really good with some solvent. If the holes are a little clogged, put it in a little container or your handy dandy Chemcraft container and soak it. You may have to soak it overnight just to get the holes opened up. Brush it. Clean up the gun really well. Again, these guns are very, very expensive. They're awesome pieces of equipment, but are expensive. So my suggestion is tear that gun apart. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for some more pro tips from your friends at Chemcraft.